This is the facelifted 2025 MU-X Onyx XT. Let's see if it can handle the bump and beyond. Nice and wide. Getting in is surprisingly chill. No climbing gear needed, thanks to those really helpful side steps. The seats adjust effortlessly even with a bump. And there's excellent lower back support, which honestly feels like a dream. The aircon hits just right. Not freezing my face off, but perfectly fighting the pregnancy sweats. The storage is spot on, as you can see. Bottle goes here, vitamins there, and of course, emotional support chocolate on the side. And just knowing that there are 8 airbags ready to protect my precious cargo, perfect. And a feature that I really love, if you forget to buckle the second or third row seats, it will remind you until you do, because apparently the MU-X is also a safety conscious mom. The verdict: it's comfortable, accessible, and thoughtfully designed with strong safety features, well suited for pregnancy and daily driving through all the trimesters. When the baby comes, the MU-X basically becomes a mobile command center. The MU-X is ISOFIX ready, and they're easy to find. No digging between the seats or throwing your back out while sweating through a onesie change. There are rear air vents for baby's comfort and USB-C ports to keep all your gadgets running, including your white noise machine and your bottle warmer. Boot test: I'm loading up for the hospital run. Pram, check. Nappy bag, check. Hospital bag, blanket, snacks, all check. You could probably live out of this boot if you had to. And if it's a 2 a.m. dash to the emergency room because the baby blinked funny, the MU-X handles it like a dream. Smooth ride, good visibility, and the peace of mind that comes with all the safety tech. The verdict: baby gear sorted. Boot space gigantic. Parental panic managed, kind of. It's well equipped for the early parenting phase with great storage, comfort and safety, and ideal for daily tasks and unpredictable newborn routines. Now, let's fast forward to the toddler years. You know, when your toddler thinks that the back seat is his kingdom. First win: wipeable leather seats, because yogurt happens. Crumbs happen. Things you didn't know could spill all happen. The doors open very wide, so you're not awkwardly body slamming your child into their car seat. So less wrestling and more click and go. Snack storage in the rear, approved. Juice boxes, half-eaten fruit, rogue cheese sticks, all fits. And yes, there are USB-C ports, so screen time is just a cable away. The third row folds up easily, so if you've got more than 1 or 2 children, or you suddenly have to carpool a mini rugby team, she's ready. There's room for your toddler, their tantrums, and all 4 of their imaginary friends. The verdict: toddler ready, juice resistant, and chaos certified. The MU-X is versatile, family focused, and built to handle the demands of toddlerhood and beyond. It's practical enough for everyday chaos and flexible enough for family adventures. So, whether you're growing a human or chauffeuring a tiny dictator and all of their friends, this SUV's got you covered. I can't see you. There's nothing to hold on to. Oh, it's very dirty there. Protect my precious